All right, and this week what I want to talk to you guys about is the Dell 5424 semi-rugged laptop. This refurbished Dell laptop, by the way, this is a used refurbished Dell laptop that we have for sale on our website. And I wanted to talk to you about the first impressions that I got whenever I touched it. Now, we've reviewed the 5414 and the 5404. This is in that same line of laptop with some nice upgrades to the design, which I found really interesting. And this is my first impression, so I'm going to go through it real quick for you. The first thing I noticed whenever I grabbed this laptop is the size of the mouse pad. Take a look at the size of this mouse pad. That's nice. With these mouse buttons being as large as they are, you'll easily be able to find the mouse and click the mouse buttons with ease. The keyboard is just like Dell in the previous models, has a nice keyboard. There's plenty of room between the keys. I found no problems typing on it. It's nice and responsive. The other nice feature about this laptop is the handle. Now, the handle is large. It's not rigid. It's still made of rubber, not as flexible as, say, like your G-Tac semi-rugged laptop, but this one is nice. It's got some little grooves on the bottom so that you can grip it real easy. I found it comfortable, and I kind of like how large it is. The other nice thing about this laptop is the rubber bumpers that are on the screen, on the back. They're both on the top and the bottom so that you have nice protection on the corners in case you drop the laptop. Now, keep in mind, it is a semi-rugged laptop. I would say it's a little better than semi-rugged. I would definitely say it's better than the semi-rugged CF54. The other nice feature on this is it has a webcam, but they took the time to put the privacy shutter. So now you can just shut the shutter and take a look at that. You don't have a webcam, now you do, so you have your privacy. I know some folks put electrical tape over that or whatever, but now you don't have to worry, there's the shutter. And another nice feature is the port covers. Let's talk about the port covers because these are robust port covers. We have they're actual hinged port covers that keep the ports from getting dirty. Now, all of them are well made. They're not going to break and fall off from use, which I like. This is your multi-bay port. And I want to talk a little bit about this port. I'm going to come back to it as a bonus for you on this first impression. Here is another port, and it just goes on and on and on. Here is your stylus for the touchscreen. Take a look at this. You have a nice stylus holder right there. You don't have to tie it to the handle or anything. I think that's a great feature on this unit. Now, I told you I was going to give you a bonus impression that I got. So here's the bonus. Take a look at this. When you open up this door, now this is the bay for the SD card, a USB port, and there's a CD-ROM, DVD player, probably a burner as well drive. So this would be a multi-bay port. But take a look right here, and this is interesting. This is your hard drive and how you can remove the hard drive. Take a look at this. That's how easy it is to swap out hard drives. That's phenomenal. Something I haven't seen. Usually this type of thing is on the bottom of the laptop, but this slides right in, plugs in. There's a little latch right there to remove it, and boom, you just cover it up and you're good to go. There's no screwdriver required. Overall, it has 2 battery bays, so you can have dual batteries. It's a nice laptop. I want you to take a look at it on our website, and hey, leave me some comments down below so that I can understand what you guys think about this laptop. And other than that, I'll see you next week.